It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crumb allowances. Finessing under with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my accountant list. In fact, I'm counting this. You say they taste like Kool-Aid for the analyst.
We got a new gun. It is the Smith & Wesson CSX E series. I got this one in the 3.1 inch barrel. As you kind of saw in the intro, we got a very smooth firearm, but we got to make sure if we're going to carry this thing that it can withstand shooting. We got 3 magazines to try it out, a 12, 15, and a 17. So let me load up some rounds and let's get going on the accuracy test. 7 yards ish, taking some shots, and let's see how we are. All right, first shot, we're in the red already. Right next to it. Okay. We're getting sloppy. Let's reset and go. Okay. As you can see here, we were grouping right here. We started getting sloppy. We reset, got one here, and then started getting sloppy again. So far, we're doing good. Let's get shots of 3 now. So we're gonna go bang, 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 pause, bang, 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 pause, and then see how it looks. Down, out of the pocket, boom, down. These are going everywhere. Not my most proud work I've ever done before, but you can see we're kind of getting everywhere. Some probably missing, we're shooting low, anticipating that recoil, but not the most proud work here. I mean, if you fight the recoil, you can definitely get shots on target with like a rapid fire. So far, I'm really liking this. In last video, if you haven't seen it, I talked about the premium feel on this. When you're shooting it, it does feel nice to have a nice little bit of weight behind the gun. My main concern though is whenever it's loaded, you got one in the head. I have safety on. What's preventing that hammer from just falling down though? I can't squeeze the trigger with safety on, no matter how hard I try. But what prevents the hammer from just falling back? Let me know down below if you're more educated in these single action firearms. I'm going to put a card. Oh my, I'm disgusting with the 22. I was trying to see if that's possible. I hit it first try with the 22. We got about 6 shots. Let's see. All right, business card about 25 yards out. Come ride with me to see how we did. Yep, I hit twice. 2 out of 6, 25 yards on a business card. First shot, second shot, 2 circles individually, but we hit the very corner. We have discovered today that the Smith & Wesson CSX is a great, shall I say, phenomenal micro pistol. I'm definitely going to put this in the carry rotation because, I mean, 12 shots out of something smaller than the 43X, you can't really beat that. And it has a safety, a thumb safety, so I will feel a little bit safer putting it in my pocket than just a little Glocky. But that's our last bullet. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment down below. Let me know what you think about the CSX. Did this video make you want to get one? Does this video turn you away against them? Let me know down below. Oh, I just pinched myself. Let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching. Just make sure you stay safe. Make sure you stay strapped. And most importantly, stay blessed. Good night, everybody.